This is brought to you by Maedot Academy. Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Now let's install Arduino IDE software. Go to Google and search for Arduino IDE download. Then open the first link, which is the official website of Arduino. If you have stable internet connection, you can use online Arduino IDE by clicking on Code Online. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or you can create new account. To install the Arduino IDE software on your machine, go to Download option and choose your operating system. In this case, we will install on Windows operating system. You can install for Linux or Mac OS as long as the procedure is the same. For Windows, we have two options, those are Windows Win 7 installer and Windows zip file. I recommend you to use the installer. So click on Windows Win 7 installer and click Just Download. The download will start automatically. It may take some time based on your internet speed. The download is completed. Now click on the application and agree to all terms and policy. I recommend you to check all options, then click Next. Finally click Install. We have successfully installed Arduino IDE onto our machine. Now close the installer. Okay, let's open the application. As you can see, the IDE is working fine. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.